Hey guys, that's my front yard, and you actually can soon rent out this property. And if you subscribe and you click on the bell to receive the notifications, you're gonna learn how to do Caribbean Sun Croix, US Virgin Islands, shipping container, tiny home. Oh, there's a sugar mill right there. Sunset Paradise kind of project. I'm doing that. And yes, that's my container. You're gonna learn windows, plumbing, welding, insulation, cistern, sewer, the whole shit. If you want to learn how to do this, that's what you're gonna do. You better subscribe.